Hello guys, I hope you're doing great. Welcome to Dobbs language course. This is our lesson 9 and we are going to learn some new words in English and in Russian languages. Today our topic is how to describe people, and when we are describing people we will split them into groups. First 3 words, it's groups which we will split them. Then we will continue with our vocabulary. Hate, hate, hate. Roast. Look, look, look. Внешность. Wait, wait, wait. Весь. Young, young, young. Молодой. Middle aged, middle aged, middle aged. Среднего возраста. Old, old, old. Старый. Slim, slim, slim. Худой. Athletic, athletic, athletic. Спортивный. Fat, fat, fat. Толстый. Handsome, handsome, handsome. Красивый. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Уродливый. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Красивая. Short, short, short. Невысокий. Medium height, medium height, medium height. Среднего роста. Tall, tall, tall. Высокий. Red hat, red hat, red hat. Рыжий. Blonde, blonde, blonde. Блондинка. Brunette, brunette, brunette. Брюнетка. Straight hair, straight hair, straight hair. Прямые волосы. Curly hair, curly hair, curly hair. Кудрявые волосы. Wavy hair, wavy hair, wavy hair. Волнистые волосы. Thank you guys. That's end of our lesson 9. I hope you enjoyed from the lesson. And next lessons we're going to learn more about human feelings. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to press the like button. See you soon.